Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making simple chicken dish. This recipe is perfect for those who love authentic flavor without too much fuss. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Start by roasting 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoon of coriander seeds until they are fragrant. Crush them and set aside. In another pan, add 6 to 7 chopped tomatoes. Add 1 cup of water. Mix well, cover the pan and cook until tomatoes get soft. Once done, give it a mix, cover and set it aside for later use. In a large bowl, heat 1 cup of oil. Once heated, add 750 gram of chicken and fry the chicken for 1 minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Mix everything well and fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. Now season the chicken with 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything well. Then add half tablespoon of chili flakes. Give it a mix. Then add crushed roasted spices. Mix everything well. Cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Then add cooked tomatoes. Mix everything well. Cover the pan and cook the chicken until oil separates. Once done, add half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of black pepper and 4 green chilies. Cover and let it simmer for 2 minutes. And there you have it. Quick and flavorful meal is ready to enjoy. Hope you guys like this recipe. Do try it out and don't forget to like, subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking.